We're excited to bring you the first Konnekt Captioning Phone and Videophone. The captions come up in a split second after the voice in big blue letters. We love the way that the words are sometimes automatically corrected when a sentence is complete. Many will love the big text size. Let's now call Carl on his office phone.
Hello, this is Carl speaking.
Hi Carl, this is John. I love how easy it was to call you. I just had to push the call button.
Hi John, I'm hearing you loud and clear. I didn't have to talk to an operator first. I just heard my phone ringing and answered it normally.
Yes, I'm hearing you as well, and this conversation is completely private. There is no operator, and although the captioning is not perfect, it's remarkably good.
Yes, and if necessary, the size of the text can be changed. It can be much larger if necessary. And you will be able to go back through the text, so you will be able to read anything that you missed, including during the call. I believe this will help many people who are waiting for a captioning phone. Bye for now.
Thanks Carl, bye. You'll see that the text remains on the screen for some time after I finish the call. In the final version, you'll be able to scroll up and down through the text and read anything that you might have missed after the call. And when you finish with that, you simply press the close button and it goes back to the home screen. Thanks for listening.